Okay, here's a quick video on how the LED light bar is mounted. You can see here, I'll try and point to where the bracket is. You can see right up here, zoom out a little bit. There's 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. This is to the frame right here. This is the Rago Fab bracket. It goes up and then up this way. And kind of make my finger follow it. It goes up towards the front that way. And you can kind of see that, and then here's another close-up shot of the JBA upper control arm with the little Zerk fittings. You see right there, and there's the 5100 shock. These are stock coils, by the way. Here's the method wheels. This is method. Oh, by the way, since it rubs on the front fender, these are 265 7017. You have to move this plastic liner. See a little gap right here? It's just plastic. You just move it and retap the screws. Use a screwdriver to poke a hole. Real simple. So here's an upside down shot. Here's the light bar. And you see you move these little flaps right here out of the way. And on the other side is where the bracket comes up. And it's kind of see the end of it right there. Here's the light bar. Sorry, trying to make it as easy as possible. Here's the wire coming off the light bar. Right here, and this is like a refrigerated line. It doesn't get hot or cold, so I just zip tied the wire to there. This is the Rago Fab, or it comes with the cabling. You run it right up through here behind the light, and you can see it comes out right here, right here, and you can see one wire goes to the here. I need to redress this. There's a fuse. And then right here's the relay. Just single screw mounted right there. Get out of the way. And just tuck the wires. Here's another the wires right there. And then I run it right through the firewall right there. There's a little grommet. Just take it apart and run it through. Best bet is to use like a screwdriver and then electrical tape or duct tape and just poke it through, and then it'll come through. It will come through on the bottom somewhere, and then you just kind of pull it in and dress it to the these are plugs. You just use a small flathead screwdriver and you pop these suckers out. Basically you just stick it in the top, kind of pry it, stick it in the bottom, pry it, and it comes out towards you. Just a little plug. So there's my, here's the light bar. Turn it on. I think I burned out the little LED on it. You can see, it's pretty darn bright. Looks pretty nice. Once again, the engine, Optimo battery, thing rocks. It's super bright. Turn off. Here's a little addition I did. Here you got your little cigarette lighter. So I added this USB charger, little plug here. It has these 2 little blue dots right here. A little bright, not too bright. I don't know. So basically you just open this compartment right here, open it up, and you just pry the this piece up, and it'll come come up right here, and you just pop it out, and you tap into the cigarette lighter wires. It's got a red and black, and there's a red with a white black on this, and you just tap into it, and easy peasy. So once again, light bar. You don't have to take any of this dash apart. So you can see, you can reach right under here, and when you run the wire through, you run enough wire through, and either solder or crimp in the front, and then you just it's got a clip on the back of the like a wiring harness clip, and on the back of the light. So you're just soldering the wires from the harness to the wiring harness that goes into this, and then so if the switch ever burns out, which my LED, that little light on there did burn out, I could buy a new switch, pop it out, pull the wire with it, plug it back in, and then be done with it. So once again, hope you guys enjoy this. Hope it's informative and helps. Let me know any questions or comments. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.